Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your Scrabble Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Scrabble Go's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Scrabble Go application. The home page of Scrabble Go application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. You will end up on your profile section of Scrabble Go's account. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. Now all you need to do is tap on Facebook icon among the displayed options. From the pop-up, tap on disconnect to log out of your Scrabble Go's account. This is how you can log out of your Scrabble Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.